Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax Panama City Beach here with you today. Got a new fresh trade, a 2019 Yamaha 242 Limited. It is a twin engine boat, obviously a perfect pleasure boat for those that want to go on the island. Got a lake, perfect lake boat. Let's jump on board and see what she has. All right guys, starting aft here in the Yamaha 242. Obviously you got this great platform here. If you're backing up to the island, backing up to a sandbar, what have you, great lounging area, storage behind the seats, radio controls back here where you don't have to get into the cockpit. So a really nice social setting and be able to enjoy the views from the rear of the boat. As we make our way forward into the cockpit of the boat, you've got seating wrapped around the rear of the boat here. So plenty of room for entertaining. Your dual captain's chairs, and then looking forward, you got your electronics. It is a twin engine boat, so you do have a joystick feature, and then of course your electronics up front as well. Going into the bow, again, more space for much more seating. You can bring the whole family if you like them. You've got space for them all. Great little boat, great price point, perfect entertainment boat. Leisure boat just to go out and have some fun. This is a Yamaha 242 Limited twin engine boat. Come see me here at MarineMax Panama City Beach to show it to you.